Okay, I've just about set it up. I'll show you the pots. First off, I've got a canvas bag by that company there. It's a Cornish company, and it's made for the 27 series Trangia cooker. But it fits the pot I got as well. So that's that. What I've got next is the MSR Seagull stowaway pot. It's the biggest one. It's about just over 18 centimeters in diameter, and I'll put that there. That's just the ferro rod and the spirit burner and all that. So what I got here is a hard anodized aluminium by Trangia, and it's they're like a frying pan that also goes on top of the 27 series Trangia cooker. So and that's 18 centimeters. It's known as 18 centimeter lid or frying pan from Trangia. And inside I've got a chopping board from the 27 series Trangia, and there's the pot itself. So what I'm going to do now is get the water on the go and get it boiled. Right, what I've got here is an Avenue titanium spirit burner. There's no thread and there's no lid, and the snuffer just about works. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It's a fierce burner. It's good for boiling water, but cooking food, you know, it burns fast, and the liquid burns fast as well. But it's all right. And also I've overfilled it as well, and it's come out the oil, so this is going to blow up. Oh, that wasn't so bad. That'll burn out anyway. Get you there, underneath there, and when it gets hot I can just grab that and pull it out, and let's just flatten that down. There, like that. Okay, so I'll just bring this over a bit so that can go there. Yeah, I've got to make it safe, innit? Yep, that's fierce. Ooh. Right, that's on its way. It took no time at all, that. So let's get them eggs on. Oh, there we go. Now this Trangia lid fits perfect in this pot. There you go. Get that bit of dirt out. Get that in the centre. Whoop. Get that on. Alright, now I need my watch for this, and get you there. 20, just gone 25 past 12. Okay, in the meantime, if you can hear me under this wind, I'll rig me brew kit up. Yeah, that'll do. Get that back. Oh, let's get a couple of these in. I don't want you. There you go. Get that. Let's go by there for now. And get the bit of milk. That can go there. Right, that's all ready. Now I've just had to refill that, and it's only been about 7 minutes. So it's a really, like I said, it's a really fast burner. Is it on its way? There we go. Right, I got my knife, fork and spoon out as well. I'm going to cut the egg up with this and not my knife, because you never use your knife really to chop the food up, because your knife is probably contaminated with bark and other things. So I'm going to use this. This is my my day stuff, but if I do an overnighter, I've got a steel spork. I've only just got it actually. So with that, I would use my penknife to cut the food up. Okay, that sort of time. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, seems all right. I wonder if I could get this out. Let's see, I'll show you that how it's so fierce. It's difficult to put out, so you know, you just got to leave it run. Wow. Hang on, it's not quite. There. So, there you go. Right. I shall sort that, sort them shells out, and I'll come back to you. Oh, I might as well make me tea before anything else. There you go. So I'll put that to one side, and then get this. Fill that up. That'll do. I might save that little bit of water to clean up. Yeah. Okay. Let's get that milk in as well with one hand. It's soya milk, by the way. Okay. All right. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, what I've done is put, to stop it rolling off onto the dirt, I've put the chopping board inside the 18 centimetre lid there. So let's have a look. Yeah. Done fine. That was 12 minutes. Plus I let it cool down a little bit. Not a very good egg, because it's supposed to be orange apparently for it to be good egg, but you know, there you go. So let's see if I can cut this down tidy. I like the look of that. Get them in the middle, I think. On the edge. I've already put the salt on, so I'll just squeeze that up there. So that's a little bit left. Yeah. And there we go. Get that here on there. Give it a little squeeze. And happy days. Right. I need 2 hands for this really, but I want to make you watch me eat this. Oh bloody hell. I'm picking that up. That serves me right, doesn't it? There you go. That'll do. I'll sort that out when I... Have I got a bit of... I have got a bit of water. I've got a water bottle, haven't I? Oh. Let's sort it out. I'll give that a little swirl. Get a bit of dirt out of that. Swirl that off, I suppose. That'll do for now. Sort it out when I get home. Right, I failed to mention that I've put 4 holes on the walls of this pan. 4 there, 4 there, 1 there and 1 there. They only need to be 1 or 2 millimeters really, and you can do your own design, whatever you want. Right, what other scope has this pot or this setup has got? Well, actually, if you're a regular chef or you cook regular, you probably know more than me really, but you could boil water and steam chicken, eggs, asparagus, mushrooms, you know, and make something up of your own design. Or you could boil rice and have a chicken in there, steam the chicken, and you could heat your curry sauce up in your cup, and you wouldn't use that with that meal because it's actually illegal to have a cup of tea with a curry and rice in this country, in the UK. Okay. So you just crack open a can of beer or something. No, I'm only joking. Or there's wild variants as well, you know. You got your asparagus type wild variants like hogweed shoots. That's common hogweed, that is. Rose bay willow herb shoots in the spring going into summer. Or you've got your wild funguses, you know, there's all sorts. So anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to scrape that over and leave no trace. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you want. And cheers. My taxi's coming now. I better get out into the field.